Posting Instagram Reels every single day sounds simple, but doing it manually quickly becomes exhausting. Logging in, uploading videos, writing captions, and repeating the same steps again and again wastes valuable time. That's why automation is a game changer. In this video, I'll show you how to auto-post Instagram Reels step by step. Even if you're a beginner. First, you add your Instagram account into the software. Each account is connected with its own proxy, which helps keep everything stable and secure when managing multiple profiles. Next, you prepare your reel content. Short, vertical videos work best. Focus on one niche, one message, and content that grabs attention in the first few seconds. After that, upload all your videos into the content management. This allows you to organize your reels and reuse content efficiently without uploading one by one. Now go to the post function section, post reels. Here, you select the videos you want to post and choose the Instagram accounts that will publish them. You can customize everything. Set delays between posts so it looks natural. Add captions, tag, and locations. You can even tag your main account to drive traffic or resize images if you want more engagement. Simply enable auto-like and auto-comment after posting. This helps your reels look active right from the start. Once everything is set, click Start. The system will automatically log in, post reels, and handle the entire process for you. No more manual posting. No more wasted hours. This is how you scale Instagram Reels, grow traffic, and stay consistent on autopilot.